Hi, I'm Alpesh Fadia, the founder of First Lead Self, a leadership development firm dedicated to solving the ongoing global leadership crisis by helping to democratize leadership development for millennials and current and future leaders. I was in search of a partner that would help me convert my book and workshop content into an e learning program so that we can make our work available globally. I also needed someone who could host my e learning program onto a learning management system, or LMS. And finally, I wanted an organization that would help me create an e commerce website for professionals and leaders to learn about us and view our complete offerings. In essence, I was seeking a provider that was able to provide a comprehensive solution for my complex business needs. As a result, I selected Paradiso Solutions since it offered me more than a complete solution. Knowing that this was my first foray into the e-learning business, I needed a trustworthy partner I can count on and who had my best interests at heart. I was happy to learn that throughout the project and thereafter, the team members at Paradiso treated my project as their own. They were aligned with my work and its purpose and goals, and approached each detail of the project as if they were the author of the program and were going to put their names on the finished product. We embarked on a highly demanding and exceedingly complex 14-month project that required the utmost and painstaking attention to every detail. Therefore, everyone from the content team to the e-commerce development team to the LMS team were tested throughout the 14 months in terms of being able to walk their talk. I can sincerely say that Paradiso and its team members more than delivered on their commitment to make me happy. In the end, I got a final product that was better than I had envisioned. But the most differentiating aspects that truly set Paradiso apart are its content team, LMS, and outstanding service and support. Paradiso's learning management system's intuitive interface and the platform's versatility make it easy to use even for a first-timer like me. Navigating through courses, tracking progress, and accessing supplementary materials has been effortless. Paradiso's support team, even to this day, continues to respond and help me when I need it. For those then seeking a truly committed partner that offers a comprehensive solutions, professionalism, outstanding support, and above all, a trustworthy teammate to take their project to new heights, then Paradiso undoubtedly should be your primary choice at heart.